Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a tiger shark. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our tiger shark, let's begin with the eye. So you want to start right here and just go ahead and make a small circle like this. Next, we want to color this in, and I'm going to leave just a little bit white. Next, underneath the eye, go ahead and make a little line, and then right above it, we're going to make a little line. Now over here, I'm going to draw a little dot for the nose. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up, and then I'm going to bring this right to here. Next, I'm going to curve a line right to here. And then I'm going to bring this line down to here. I'll draw another little line that's just going to come up and then back to here. And then I'm going to make a few little zigzags in there for some teeth. Next, starting up here above the eye, I'm going to bring this line up to here. Then for the fin, I'm going to draw this line up to a point and then down. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and up with a curve. And then starting here, I'm going to bring this line up to a point, and then I'm going to curve it back down. Next, I'm going to bring this line down to a point, and then up. Next, starting here, we're going to curve this line down a little farther. Then for the fin, let's draw this line to come down to a point and then up and kind of over here with a few broken lines. Next, I'm going to bring this line up to here. Make a little line that comes down and up. We'll bring this line to here. And I'll make another line that's going to come down and up. And then bring this line to here. Then I'm going to make a little broken line right here by the tail. And then a couple little lines right here. Over here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then up for the other little flipper. Now for the gills, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, and 4 little lines. Next, I'm going to make a long kind of broken line that comes down the middle of the body. And then when we draw the stripes, all we're going to do is just make some lines that are just going to kind of go down and then up. These can have like some little breaks and stuff in them. But we're just going to kind of make these lines come down and then up here. So we're just going to kind of make these little lines all the way down. So we're just going to kind of continue these all the way until we get to the back of the shark. Then I'm going to make a little line up here and then a couple little lines here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a tiger shark. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.